Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I will discuss objective type questions and answers from RCC structure design. I have already provided 4 Q&A videos and all the links are given in the description box. I will also bring more Q&A videos in all civil engineering subjects. So if you are new to my channel, then click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get all kinds of updates. So let's get started. So the first question is, the weight of foundation is assumed as option A 5% of wall weight, option B 7% of wall weight, option C 10% of wall weight, and option D 12% of wall weight. So the answer is option C 10% of wall weight. So second question, for stairs spanning horizontally, the minimum width provided is option A 6 cm, option B 8 cm, option C 10 cm, option D 12 cm. So the answer is option D 12 cm. Now the maximum shear stress Q max is a rectangular beam is option A 1.25 times the average, option B 1.50 times the average, option C 1.75 times the average, and option D 2.0 times the average. So the answer is B, option B 1.50 times the average. Next question, a T-beam behaves as a rectangular beam of a width equal to its flange if its neutral axis, option A, remains within the flange, option B remains below the slab, option C coincides the geometrical center of the beam, option D none of these. So the answer is option A, remains within the flange. So a T-beam behaves as a rectangular beam of a width equal to its flange if its neutral axis remains within the flange. Now total pressure on the vertical face of a returning wall of height h acts parallel to free surface and from the base at a distance of option A h by 2, option B h by 3, option C h by 4 and option D 2h by 3. So the answer is option B h by 3. Next, the RCC column is treated as long if its slenderness ratio is greater than option A 30, option B 40, option C 50 and option D 60. So the answer is option D 60. RCC column is treated as long if its slenderness ratio is greater than 60. Next, the width of the flange of a T-beam should be less than option A 1/3 of the effective span of the T-beam, option B distance between the center of the T-beam, option C breadth of the rib plus 12 times the thickness of the slab, option D least of the above. So the answer is least of the above. Now next, cantilever retaining walls can safely be used or a height not more than option A 3 meter, option B 4 meter, option C 5 meter, option D 6 meter. So answer is option D, 6 meter. Cantilever retaining walls can safely be used or a height not more than 6 meter. For M150 mixed concrete, according to IS specifications, local bond stress is option A 5 kg per centimeter square, option B 10 kg per centimeter square, option C 15 kg per centimeter square, and option D 20 kg per centimeter square. So the answer is option B 10 kg per centimeter square. For M150 mixed concrete, according to IS, dimension of beam need to be changed if the shear stress is more than option A 5 kg per centimeter square, option B 10 kg option A 5 kg per centimeter square, option B 10 kg per centimeter square, option C 15 kg per centimeter square, and option D 20 kg per centimeter square. So the answer is option D 20 kg per centimeter square. Dimension of a beam need to be changed if the shear stress is more than 20 kg per centimeter square. Next, the diameter of longitudinal bars of a column should never be less than option A 6 mm, option B 8 mm, option C 10 mm, and option D 12 mm. So the answer is option D 12 mm. Next, the design of a retaining wall assumes that the retained earth, option A, is dry and free from moisture, option B is not cohesive, option C consists of granular particle, option D all the above. So the answer is all the above. Design of a rectangular wall assumes that the retained earth is dry and free from moisture, is not cohesive, consists of granular particle. All the above. Next, dimension of a beam need to be changed if the shear stress is more than option A 10 kg per centimeter square, option B 15 kg per centimeter square, option C 20 kg per centimeter square, and option D 25 kg per centimeter square. So the answer is 20 kg per centimeter square. For a circular slab carrying a uniformly distributed load, the ratio of maximum negative to maximum positive radial moment is option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, and option D 5. So the answer is option A 2. Next, thickened part of a flat slab over its supporting column is technically known as option A drop panel, option B capital, option C column head, and option D none of these. So the answer is option A drop panel. So thickened part of a flat slab over its supporting column is technically known as drop panel. So these are the 15 questions of RCC structure design we have discussed here. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.